Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to install this rear fender I got from Bonvent. This is what they call their Scrambler fender, and everything from Bonvent is made to order, plus they're in France. So I waited about 5 weeks to get this and a few other parts. Overall, the construction is okay. It's made out of fiberglass. One thing that's not okay is the finish. I can tell this was made in a fiberglass mold, and it's got some defects in the finish that look like scratches. I'm not sure what happened, and I'm actually not going to send it back. I'm just going to paint it, but I'll do that later and I'll show you in another video. Today, I want to see what this looks like on the bike. So I'll get the old one off, we'll compare it to the new one, then I'll get this one on and we'll take a look at it. Now use your key to open the side panel and pull down to remove it. Then pull this tab to release the seat. Under the seat, there's 2 retaining screws I'm going to remove that hold the fender. I've already removed one, and it's a Torx head screw. There's a wire under the fender for the tail light and turn signals, and you can disconnect it under the seat. Now I'm going to remove these 2 bolts that hold the fender to the tail light housing, and they're size 8. Once you get those out, the fender will drop down, and we need to disconnect these wire connectors. Once those are disconnected, the fender will pull right out. To remove the taillight assembly, you need to remove these 2 bolts that hold the license plate bracket. They're size 8 and there's a nut on the back that's size 10. Once you get those out, you can pull up on the taillight and it comes right off. The new fender comes with 3 screws, and you use 2 of them to mount the fender underneath the seat, and one of them goes through the taillight assembly.